In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet for free. Whether you're a project manager, team leader, or just someone who thrives on organization, Smartsheet can be an invaluable tool. Fortunately, you can get started without any immediate financial commitment, just a little bit of time and your email address. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to smartsheet.com. This is the official website for Smartsheet, a dynamic platform designed to enhance your ability to plan, track, automate, and report on work. Once you arrive, you'll find yourself on the home page, where you'll see various options to explore what Smartsheet offers. However, we're going to focus on getting started with a free trial. Look towards the top or the center of the page. You'll notice a prominent button that says, "Try Smartsheet for free." Go ahead and click on that button. This will direct you to the sign-up page where you'll be creating your account. On this sign-up page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's recommended to use your work email if you have one. This approach could give you a better integration experience, especially when you start collaborating with your team. However, if you prefer to use a personal email, that's perfectly fine too. Enter your email in the designated field, making sure there are no typos, and continue to the next step. The great thing about getting started with Smartsheet is that they don't require any credit card information during this trial period. That means you can explore all the features without worrying about any unexpected charges. It's a risk-free opportunity to see if Smartsheet is the right fit for your needs. After entering your email, follow the prompts provided to finalize your account setup. This might include verifying your email address, so be sure to check your inbox for a confirmation email from Smartsheet and click on any verification links if necessary. Once you're all set up, which should happen fairly quickly, you'll gain access to a host of features that Smartsheet offers. Feel free to explore different templates, create your own sheets, and play around with the tools provided. With this trial, you have a great opportunity to get familiar with the platform's functionalities, such as project management, task automation, and team collaboration. Remember, the more you immerse yourself and test out the tools available, the clearer it will become whether Smartsheet can cater to your project needs. Enjoy exploring Smartsheet and leveraging its capabilities to boost your productivity and streamline your workflows.